Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and GATE Computer Science students. So here I will be discussing another theory of computation questions here. It was asked in January 2017. Suppose we have L1 as null, okay, which mean nothing is nothing but L1, and L2 is nothing but symbol 1. Then what is the resultant for this L1 star union L2 star, concatenation L1 star? Okay, options are epsilon comma 1, null itself, and 1 star. Okay, which mean 1 is going to occur 0 or more time. Okay. So now we want to represent L1, and we need to keep clean closure for both language. Okay, so now L1 is null. If you are taking clean closure, then surely it is also null. Okay, which means nothing symbol there, only empty symbol. Okay, sorry, not even empty, it is null. Okay, empty symbol is nothing but epsilon. Okay, and L2 is 1, so then what is L2 star? Okay, which is nothing but you want to make it a 1 star. 1 star is nothing but what? Epsilon. 1 is going to occur 0 time or any number of time. Okay, so if it is 0 time, epsilon. If it is 1 time, 1, and if it is 2 time 1 represented, or 3 time, or up to infinity. Okay, so now what is L1? So if you are making concatenation of L2 star L1 star, which is nothing but concatenation of L1 star dot L2 star, it is null, and it is 1 star, which is nothing but 1 star itself. Okay, so again if you are taking L1 star union this result 1 star. Okay, so L1 star is nothing but null union 1 star is nothing but 1 star. Okay, so now 1 star is answer, option D is correct. Okay, so now I am going to take another very important question again. Suppose L1 equal to a power n b power n such that n greater than or equal to 0 and n not equal to 100. What is the meaning? N will be taking from 0 to infinity, but it should not accept when n equal to 100. Okay, which means if you are having language with 100a followed by 100b, for that alone it should not accept. For rest of the n value it should accept. Okay, so that is the question. And L2 is nothing but W belongs to A, B, C over star, which means A will be occur 0 or more time, and B will be occur 0 or more time, C will be occur 0 or more time, such that they are saying number of A in such a string W combination ABC, it should be equal to number of B in such a string, which is also equal to number of C in such a string. The options are both L1 and L2 are context free language, both L1 and L2 not context free language, L1 is context free language and L2 is not context free language, or L1 is not context free language and L2 will be context free language. Okay, so they will be asking, and we know finite automata, push-down automata, and Turing machine. Okay, and with the help of that we want to conclude what is the answer. Suppose we have L1 language a power n, so then as per this condition I will be splitting given language into two sub languages, one having a power n b power n such that n less than 100. Okay, because n equal to 100 should not accept, and union n a power n b power n such that n greater than 100. Okay, so now if you are having a power n b power n, it is actually regular language. Okay, if you are having a power n b power n such that n greater than 100, so then it is actually deterministic context free language. Okay, so then we have one property in context free language. One language is regular language, another language is context free language. If you are making union, then it will be again context free language. Okay, so now we conclude that L1 is context free language. Okay, so now next one is L2, which is number of A present in such a W. For example, if you are taking W as A, B, B, C, like that, and since they said that it is over star, which means we cannot conclude how many number of C occur, how many number of B occur, how many number of A occur. Okay, so any symbol may be occur any number of time. Okay, so we cannot conclude, we cannot predict such a things, which mean it may have 3 A's followed by 2 B or followed by 1 C or anything happen. Okay, so usually if you have two symbols in such a language, we can easily recognize with push-down automata, so it will become context free language. But if you are having three different symbols, surely even your push-down automata not able to accept it or recognize it. So we need to go for next power model is called Turing machine. Turing machine alone recognize this such a number of A equal to number of B equal to number of C. So if you are having Turing machine, it recognized by either recursive language or recursive enumerable language, and it cannot constructed with context free language. So which mean if you are able to solve with context free push-down automata, then only it is context free language, otherwise not context free language. So here option is what? L1 is context free language, L2 is not context free language. Option C is correct. Thank you for watching.